how to watch F1 on F1 TV.
F1 TV is Formula One's official streaming service offering live and no and on-demand coverage of every Grand Prix session including practice, qualifying, sprints, and races. Its subscription costs around 29.99 a year. It offers a live timing, telemetry, and driver maps. For F1 TV Pro, you will need $85 per year and $11.99 a month. It offers a live streaming of all F1 seasons, onboard cameras, and team radios. For F1 TV Premium is that you will need $129.99 a year or basically $130. All features of F1 TV Pro, a 4K resolution HDR streaming, multiple view with up to 4 live feeds on selected devices. And that is all of that is on how to watch F1 on F1 TV. You need to purchase some subscriptions in order to watch their videos.